Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This video is on this Crompton Greaves high breeze ceiling fan, 120 centimeter industrial. This one actually is brand new out of box. However, even though it's brand new, it has some problems, such as the terminal block. When it was being wired up, the screws actually stripped in the inside, so it wouldn't tighten down the screws. So I've had to improvise and get the electrician to actually put another terminal block in there to make it better. Another problem with this thing, it is brand new, but it makes this weird, stupid, annoying ticking noise from the bearing. Another thing that I found quite interesting about this is it actually says the motor is rated for 120 centimeter blades and 140 centimeter blades, meaning you can do both size blades with the one motor. So I could just mix and match, put two 140 centimeter blades on this thing. Not really sure I think that's it that was problematic this morning. Oh yeah, and the controller, it actually broke. So we've just kind of electrical taped it on here for now. It's not staying. I'm going to put a Mistral controller here eventually anyway. But what actually happened, the back of it, same as the Mistral controller, actually broke where the screw is for some reason, even though it's brand new. So yeah, so here's the speed selections. 5-speed, and it is reversible. Speed 1 being low, speed 5 being high. Starting it off on speed 1. It does work decently well, to be honest, and I think I will keep it up for now, but probably not a good fan to use like in the house or something, since it's starting to bearing noise already. I got 2 of these as the seller didn't have the other one, and I shipped one off to Trent and the fan collector. I think he's already made a video of his. Let's see if I can get up close to hear it. You would have heard that. The low speed does not relate to that. That's on low. It's actually quite alright low. That's quite fast to what I would want in a low speed. Speed 2. The controller's not going to stay like that. I've just put on the original controller for the video, and I do plan on actually replacing the controller to a Mistral one, since it'll likely handle it just fine. They're exactly the same, basically. This thing's 75 watts. The Mistrals are 60 or 65, depending on the bearing you get. I could hear noise now. Sounds a little bit crunchy for some reason, but, you know, it is what it is. High speed 3. Hear it a bit more now. Not exactly sure what's causing it, but yeah. As summer approaches, the fan's going to be used a fair bit, probably in the shed. If it keeps up that noise, it's definitely not going to be used in my room. It's too noisy. Speed 4. Motor whine. I'm going to make this fan in Roblox. I don't know how to publish them as public though, which is because Roblox has changed the thing. So when I get around to that, I'll make them. Because the one we made previously, the Enticing, the motor's different. It's not actually. The motor's the same as this, but it was crap. We didn't do the best job at it, as we just quickly slapped it together from an American one. You should be able to get the creaking now. And then put it on high. It's quite a powerful fan. The only thing I don't like, though, is it's a bit of a mix and match colour with the lower canopy and the top canopy. And the whole motor set. It's all like a creamish white with the canopy just white. And it does have 2 points for off. So if I do that, it's off. And then I'm going to stop it and then I'll do reverse. Alright, now I'm going to do it in reverse. I figured I'd wire up both functions just for the video. I'm not going to be using reverse, otherwise it's going to circulate way too much heat in here. As you can see, it's not even that fast in reverse. And the noise is actually worse. I don't actually know what's causing it. It's quite pathetically weak in reverse, to be honest. So I don't even have the box for this one either. It didn't come with a box. It was the box he shipped it and he took it out of its original packaging and put it in with another one. Speed 2, 3. So you can see it's not even that fast. 4. I'm gonna make this quick because it's warming up this weather, so the longer it's on reverse, the more heat it's gonna circulate in here. There's that noise, you can really hear it now. It's not tapping on anything either. And I'll put it on high. That's the Crompton greaves. Thanks for watching.